ideas are ideas that drop in your mind at every point in time. For me, my very small YouTube channel, barely under 100 subscribers, but I can tell you that in the past 2 weeks, I've gotten more than 10 ideas, and not 10, more than 20 ideas. And in all those ideas, I've been able to script or shoot about 5 of them. The rest of them, I'm still working on them to shoot them. So, how do you take down these ideas? When these ideas come, they could just come as a word in your heart. For me, I constantly trust God to give me ideas from time to time. I note them down. I don't assume and say I will remember later. No, I write them down in my Google Keep Notes. Content ideas. A few ideas I was able to get in the past week talks about modesty. God sets you up. Notebook here. Same thing. I have similar ideas that have dropped. Now, some of these ideas I've shot them. Some of them I've not shot them. My YouTube channel actually is on faith, productivity, and self-empowerment. There are some other ideas that have come in that I have not also scripted. That's for me how to generate YouTube ideas. Today I'll be tying a scarf because I can't go with my hair like this. I like my hair though, but I'm not going with it this way. So I'll be tying a scarf. Alright, so in case you're having issues with generating YouTube ideas, trust me, it's not a big deal. All you have to do is, when those words drop in your heart, write them down. It may not look like what you want, but write it. Are you going to flesh it out the same day? Are you going to write out the script the same day? No, you mustn't. You can write out the script days later. But at least for the first thing first, write it out. Days later, you can come back and write out the script. And we'll talk about that in other videos. But this is basically how to write out how to generate your ideas. You can also generate your ideas by looking through the videos of other creators, looking at the videos other creators have made. From there, you have more video ideas that you can shoot. So trust me when I say getting video ideas is not a big deal. It's very simple. What's left for you is sitting down to shoot your videos, ensuring that you shoot quality videos with your camera, with your phone. You mustn't have a camera. Start with what you have. Currently, I'm making this video with an iPhone X because this is what I have, and I'm happy I have this. It is a starting point. I know that with time, I could and I would elevate, or I would upgrade to a higher iPhone, but for now this is what I have, and I'm not looking down on it. I'm not going to say it's too small and I won't shoot a video. In fact, I had so many excuses before I started. I told myself that the space was too small. So, and I listened to someone's video and he said, start, maybe make the video, delete that one, and keep space for the next video. So that's it, guys. And today is the day to write out the content idea. This headscarf wrap came as an idea yesterday to showcase how I can tie my scarf. And this I've done while talking to you about creating a content idea. Ciao.